What's doing? We have something different today. We've got actually Jacko's brought his brand new Dmax in, and he's got some lifts and some tyres. It's 5 o'clock now. I'm going home. Jarvis and him are doing the lift kit themselves. It looks like Benny's just showed up in his weapon. I'll turn around. He's just showed up.
Why are you here?
Jarvis is pumped.
I don't want him here.
Yeah, so let's run inside. I'll show you what they're doing and then I'm going home. Insta boy. This is Jacko, aka Feel Good.
You've got to get those angles, man. See, check that out. Hey, and if you hold it like that, Dad likes it heaps. Yeah.
He's leaning on the filters.
Yeah.
So what have we got? Come over and talk to me. What have we got?
Well, got some Dynamics, brand newies.
Brand new Dynamics.
Yeah, 1790. Falcon Wild Peak.
On a Wild Peak T3.
Yeah, AT3.
Yeah, that's why I run in my car. They're good.
Heaps good.
Heaps good.
Everything on the internet said buy them.
They're good.
Good in the weather, good in wet, good in dry, good in the snow. 2 to 4 inch adjustables. Just for the front, because they rake heaps.
Yep.
And control arms, Ironman, and then Munji diff drop. Keep it simple.
Keep it simple, keep it easy. The back to the Wild Peaks, I run my car, and they're actually a thicker sidewall than the Nittos. So you pay more.
Wow.
These are a much better tyre. Still got side biters. I've run them down 20 psi and tough as nails.
Yeah.
Right, this is yours now. I'm out of here.
Yeah, sweet. Give us that. Woo-hoo. Let's do it, boys. What's up? So, I bought this, and we're gonna make it like heaps illegal, and it's only just gone over like 1,000k. So, getting into the swing of it, man.
He's a
like,
pro
I gotta,
YouTuber.
yeah.
Look at him, he's got his little stick
You know?
with the camera.
We're just gonna like do heaps of cool shit, and yeah, hopefully not get pulled over on the way home. These things have got like a staircase on them, and there's these other weird things here. They like climb the staircase when you twist them that way, and then it makes stuff fall out. So we're at the stage of like making stuff fall out until everything that we've got here to replace it falls out. And then after we've
That all falls out so that can fall out.
yeah. So like all this new stuff that's shit, that stuff falls out, and then we put this new stuff in to replace the new stuff.
But that stuff's new too.
That's new, but this is newer. And then you use these on the staircase bit, and then they like, yeah, go tight, and then you got a sick truck. Let's do it. Alright, control arms are out. New Ironman daddies are going in. But man, working on a new car. I don't work on old cars. I don't work on any car, I drive them. But I mean, if I wanted to work on a car, it'd be a new one.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not having a bad fun.
I'm having a good one.
Chocolate makes fun better.
Yeah, man, and I like hate cars. Hold on, I've got a light. You can see some shit. So, yeah. Pretty new, but there's a little bit of dirt on it.
Let no monkey hands touch it out.
Strong like bull, smart like tractor.
You struggling there, bud?
No, it's... I think it goes on top. Gotta get the instructions. What do you reckon? It was underneath, but just a little bit weird, you know, just a bit weird. Yeah. Nah, heaps don't know, eh? It's upside down, Jarv. Hang on a minute. It's gonna go heaps better this way. Look, they're recessed. Check that out. Hey?
If anyone buys
Check that out.
these, I was waiting for it.
Yeah, nah. Now this will go underneath like it's supposed to. See? Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That looks heaps better. Fucking told you I didn't work on that.
Anyway, we got the Munji diff drop, and what you said, it moves it.
It comes down however far and then it moves it forward 20 mil as well.
Sweet.
It's just to sort of line the CVs up a little bit better.
But these guys in their packaging, this is cool.
Yeah.
I like this. So yeah, we'll figure out where all the bits go and where the staircases lead. And
BRB.
oh, you figured it out, mate.
Oh, you check that out. That looks heaps better. Hey?
Hey.
Pay quality and then idiots put it together.
Yeah.
So, you know. Yeah. I
Once
need that
again.
light again.
Once
Yeah.
again, forgot to do a timeline.
Yeah.
So we put these things in.
Got them in. Yeah. Benny's
Monkey hand in.
yeah, getting one in. Basically what I think they do is just like shorten the distance to take out your positive camber and give you a little bit more adjustability on the stock adjustment. But I don't work on cars, so I'm not actually sure if that's true. But it looks pretty good. Can you see them there? I mean, they're shitloads thicker than standard ones.
It's shorter and they're at a different angle.
Yeah, there you go. Shorter, on a different angle.
It drops it.
Mickey Mouse. Ironman is the shit.
So we did some things.
Control arms are in. We've got the ABS lines sort of all jimmied up.
This side's good.
Yeah, this side's pretty good. Sway bar's connected again. Struts are in. It's all looking pretty good at the moment. We're yet to tackle the diff drop. But then we've also found here that every weld on the chassis, on the control arms, on everything has like
Worse up here.
paint missing from it, which is sick. So
In there's the best one.
yeah. So we're sort of like gonna take it back to Isuzu tomorrow, see what they've got to say for it, and then have them question the weird lift. Yeah, we're cruising along. I'll give you a bit of an overview. Benny threw these on, which is fucking mad. Look at that, hey? What a big dog. Alright. Still got the fronts to go on, but 1790, bang on in my view. Love it, hate it. Boomers hate it, but I'm not a boomer yet. This side's 85% done, and then we'll be onto the diff drop. Alright, we got it in. This lighting sucks, man. Hold on a minute.
Monday, apparently.
Yeah, Monday, new shop lights. Shane, hurry up.
Nick calling you out. Monday.
Yeah, so suspension's done-ish. It's got to tighten it up, so we're gonna go
No, it's all tight.
throw the diff drop in, which is just there. Man, perfect. Shout out to Isuzu for a 1.5mm batch plate. Love it.
Quality.
Heaps of quality. And a plastic one.
Oh.
Bullshit. You're kidding. That's even better than that. At least this one's light. And it's 2mm thick.
But you got this.
Yeah, I know. Check out the tail shaft on these things. It's like they just had like leftovers from trucks. Little J. Little J. suck at this. We suck at it heaps, but we put it on the ground. It looks proper good. Yeah, we fucked up a little bit because we put the hoist. Yeah, no, we put the hoist on the bash plate, so we had to put it on the ground. But now it's on the ground, we don't want to not put it on off the ground because it looks slick. So yeah, we'll get it up again eventually and get a diff drop in. It's 9:15. Trying to get a diff drop in. I hate my life. Nearly there. We're just trying to line some bolts up.
Alright, so it's the next afternoon. The boys were here till about midnight last night, I think. The car's just here in front of me. It actually looks pretty cool. I think Jacko's going to want more height out of it because his little 3 inches isn't enough. But it looks cool. The wheels are cool. Yeah, I think he just maybe needs a little bit more height. So we've got the wheel alignment organised today. Everything else is done. The drives is ready to go. But yeah, I think he might want a little bit more height. So I'll flip the camera around and show you what it looks like. Well, there we go. Looks pretty cool. Still stock in the back. Just with the lift in the front. Here he is. You've been looking a bit tired, mate. Looking
Man,
a
I'm fucking ruined. I'm so tired. But happy days.
Happy days. Happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Have you driven it yet? No, haven't driven it, so we don't know what it rides like.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I asked Jarvis, he said it was alright.
Yep.
But I got the heavy duty springs that are meant for bull bar.
Okay, so it'll be a little bit stiff in the front.
Yeah, a bit stiff, but I didn't want them to sag.
Yeah.
So I think that's at like minimum lift, but
yeah.
by the looks of it, it's raised like 100 mil.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
And any dramas?
Oh, heaps. I don't know, that diff drop, Jarv didn't want to read the instructions. Classic Jarv. So it went in alright, but it's the Munji drop. So I don't know, man. We'd probably just put it in wrong, but I don't know. We just had probably like an hour and a half on that alone. But once it was in, it worked awesome. And those control arms, perfect.
Sick.
Yeah. So hopefully it all works together because I've just been going off Facebook forums.
Oh, yeah, forums.
Yeah, dude, forums.
Forum mechanics, they're good.
Heaps of boomers tell you that nothing fits properly.
Yeah.
Obviously,
It fits.
properly.
Yeah. And the wheels look cool.
Yeah.
I was seeing them off the car and they looked alright, but now on the car they actually look cool.
Yeah.
And they're actually fitment wise, they don't poke.
Good.
They don't poke too much. Just a little.
Yeah.
Oh, but depending what angle you're looking at, yeah, it's just basically the same as mine. Just the sidewall hangs out a little bit.
Just a touch. Eh?
Yeah.
So. Yeah, I haven't even.
Yeah. Just the sidewall pokes out. That's the same as mine.
So yeah, no. Keen to see how it goes at the plaza.
More crawl alive.
Can't wait.
No, I think I heard rumours we're going to do some camping trips and
Yeah, no, happily do that.
send it up Big Red or down.
Down. I'll go down, man. Gravity helps on the way.
Gravity
down.
helps?
Yeah. But yeah, not up. I'll leave that one for Macca.
Yeah.
I reckon.
Cool.
But yeah, happy days. Get it home. I'm going to take those side steps off as well.
Yeah, they'll give you an extra couple of inches.
I reckon.
Yeah.
Love a couple of inches.
A couple of inches always helps.
So we'll get rid of them. I was going to keep them on to sort of keep the rocks down, but they look shit. So we'll take them off. But,
Cool.
yeah, man. Thanks for the hire
That's
last
right.
night.
That's easy. Nice.
We can.
Done.
Yeah.
Well, that's us. He's done. I'm sure it's the first of many mods.
Oh shit. Yeah.
And I don't know what sort of footage they got last night, so
It's awful. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry
That's
for what
right.
you guys. What
if you made it this far, we appreciate it. I'm sure there'll be more videos in the future,
and
and
heaps better. We'll get better.
Get better.
Yeah.
We'll get Jacko his own channel maybe.
Yeah.
No.
Just
hijack everyone else's.
Guest appearance on yours.
Yeah.
For sure.
Done. Cheers guys, hit that like, hit subscribe. If you want more of this, let us know. Jacko, we pumped to do more videos.
On the beach. We'll get there.
Cheers guys.
I'm going to sleep.